Hello, aspiring entrepreneurs and professional daydreamers. You've clicked on this video because you're on a quest for the elusive beast known as motivation. Or maybe you're procrastinating. Again, either way, let's dive in. As we journey through the perilous path of entrepreneurship, we're often accompanied by a trusty sidekick, Mr. Sloth. Who's Mr. Sloth, you ask? He's the voice in your head that says, "You've done enough for today. How about we just Netflix and chill?" Now, who doesn't love a good sloth? They're cute, they're slow, and they've nailed the work-life balance. But you see, we entrepreneurs can't afford to be sloths, not if we want to get stuff done. So how can we silence Mr. Sloth and awaken the inner lion? Here are a few tricks. Firstly, let's take some wisdom from the high school you, the master of last minute. Remember pulling all-nighters before an exam and surprisingly acing it? Why? Because there was a deadline. So, entrepreneurs, start setting deadlines. Don't just set them willy-nilly, be serious. As serious as you were when you swore off pizza for the third time. Secondly, remember that size matters. And no, I'm not talking about your annual revenue. I'm talking about the size of your tasks. Break them down. Transform your monstrous tasks into cute little puppies. Who's afraid of puppies? No one, except maybe the mailman. But that's a story for another day. Third, learn from Dory from Finding Nemo. Just keep swimming. Persistence is key in entrepreneurship. And if a small amnesiac fish can cross an ocean, you can absolutely finish your business plan. And last but not least, remember why you started. You wanted to be your own boss, remember? You wanted to create something new, solve a problem, change the world, or at least your world. Whenever you're feeling sloth-like, remind yourself of this. Remember, the entrepreneur's journey is like a roller coaster. Sometimes you're up, sometimes you're down, and sometimes you're upside down and screaming. But hey, isn't that why we all got on the ride in the first place? Now get out there, shoo away Mr. Sloth, awaken your inner lion, and conquer your entrepreneurial kingdom. Until next time, stay motivated. Oh, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful or at least mildly entertaining. Subscribe for more crazy advice, wrapped up in animal metaphors. Remember, entrepreneurship is a jungle, and I'm here to be your laughably unqualified but always entertaining guide.